demolished. So by the end of the day, we will have 4.1 and 3.3. There was a proposal or I can say an operational request regarding that. What if there is a maintenance or outage of 4.1, 4.1, which is the existing one, and then we will be operating with 3.3 only. In that case, if we have that, yes, and there is any blockage, whatever the location, it's an MP21 or at BAB or whatever, it will be high pressure coming from your system to my system from upstream fields. Now, what about the set points of the upstream that will stop or trip the pumps that are feeding our system? We have checked all the sources to our system and found all of them has no issue or have no issue except for two. One is PFN source and the other is ASAP source. Correct me, Abdulrahman, if I'm wrong, because I don't remember that. Regarding the PFN, there was a mitigation regarding the hydraulics and the difference in elevations between the two destinations, and we found that this safeguard is almost sufficient, and we can help. We can work with that. The other one, which is ASAP, the set point of the upstream pumps, the trip set point is 94 bars. And the pipeline is designed for 94 bars. These are the source coming to our system. While our system and our MOL 3.3 is designed at 75 bars. I believe you got the point now. On the other hand, how to protect our system? Either to put a layer of protection that protects our pipeline, and this must be at the tying point, I can say, because starting from the tying point, the system is designed at 75 bars, or to depend on the upstream ones. And on the upstream, there is a CEF, which is high pressure CEF, that we found on the PNIDs without telling the set point or how it works. And then we issued a TQ regarding that, and we received the reply that this CEF is designed to trip at 63 bars, which is not captured in our documentation, it's not captured in any process description, whatever. I believe now you know the issue, but if you'd like to go into details, we have all the details.
The 63 bar, they are tripping the sub-bottom plants, all the feed.
It is said like that, yes. Yeah. This is what we received. But on the other hand, I believe the technical center, there was a meeting 2 days ago. Rahman, if you'd like to.
Mr. Dirshad, my friend, I have a simple question. Okay. When you are saying that in normal operation, your system is running with 4.1 and 3.3.
Exactly.
Right. And at the same time, you are saying that when 4